80% of results come from just 20% of your effort. And what if everything you have been doing, working harder, longer, stressing more, is actually the wrong strategy? Today, we are diving into a powerful idea that can transform how you work, earn, and live. And to break it down, I have someone who simplifies complexity ideas into life changing insights. Minu Banka, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. It's great to be here, Shantan. Most people think success comes from doing more, but this book flipped my thinking completely. It taught me success is not about doing more, it's about doing the right few things. Got it?
Let's start simple. What exactly it is 80-20 principle?
At its core, it says 80% of outcomes come from 20% of causes. But here's the deepest insight. This imbalance is everywhere. 20% of customers get 80% of profits. 20% of work gives you 80% of results. 20% of relationships gives you 80% of happiness. And the biggest mistake people make, they treat everything as equally important.
If it's so simple, why don't people use it?
Because society trains us wrong. We are taught work 10 hours, do everything, be busy. But busy is not productive. Let me say something powerful. Most of what you do doesn't matter. And that actually feels little uncomfortable because it means many meetings are useless, many tasks are low value, many efforts don't move the needle also.
So, what's the mindset shift?
Mindset is from quantity to quality of impact. Instead of asking, what should I do today? You should be asking, what is the one thing that will create maximum impact? This is where it connects beautifully with focus and clarity. For example, one great business decision is greater than 100 small ones. One strong relationship is bigger than 50 weak ones. One right investment is greater than constant trading. So you have to go to quality actually.
Yeah, it's really insightful. Let's talk business. How can entrepreneur use this?
This is where it becomes a superpower for entrepreneurs actually. In business, identify your top 20% customers, focus deeply on them, and eliminate distractions. Most profit come from a small segment.
So, can this apply beyond work?
This is where it becomes life changing actually. Ask yourself which 20% of people make me happiest? Which 20% of activities give me peace? Then do more of that. And equally important, eliminate the bottom 20% that drains your energy. It's about peace and clarity.
So, give us something actionable. What can someone do today?
Actually, for that, we can use these three simple steps. Number one, identify what gives you result, what wastes your time. Number two is eliminate. Eliminate low value tasks, unnecessary commitments. Number three is focus. Focus on high impact work, key relationships, and core strengths. And remember,
Hmm?
you don't need to do more, you need to do less, but better. So, quality again.
If you had to summarize this is in one powerful message, what it would be?
Most people spend their lives chasing more, but the truth is, life rewards those who focus on less but meaningful. It's not about filling your time, it's about filling your life with what truly matters. And once you understand 80/20, you don't just become more productive, you become more peaceful. Thank you. And this was a beautiful conversation.